Yeah, there's bait shallow in here.
You're not really gonna chop me up, are you?
You were going there. Good for you, bro. Good for you. What up, guys? I am at Lower Otay. Nice clear water reservoir, and we're gonna practice for Lower Otay. KBF and ABA Ironman series just made it out to the water, so check in with you guys later, give you a little report, and let's catch them, guys. Let's go. What up, guys? So I already see birds busting over there, so gonna go check out that area, look for the bait. And that's exciting news because I love that way of fishing, finding bait and finding fish that are actively feeding. So hopefully there's fish that are fully out of post spawn and or in that post spawn feeding mode, and we'll see right now. We're gonna approach that area, see if we can find the bait and see if it pays off. We'll see. A lot of birds all over there. Water clarity is definitely over 10 feet. We got water temps in the high 70s. No wind, bluebird skies. Pretty warm out. Just saw a guy catch a bass on that main lake point. That just kind of tells you that what the bass are doing. Maybe they're on main lake points in full post spawn mode. So I see some birds splashing over here. We'll see what's going on. All right, so I came across a school, no go. See the birds up ahead, blasting on top of the water. So let's see what's up. I came across these fish during pre-spawn and spawn, and they didn't want to touch anything. Could be crappie though. I'm not really getting a good feedback off of them on live scope. What up, Crow?
Hey,
Well, I just got out, so
you came out right now?
yeah. I slept in. I was like, I don't need to show up early. Are you guys get them yet or no?
It's got like 83.
No.
Like probably 79 maybe.
No way, both of you guys?
Yeah.
The bite is on fire then?
We'll see. I was doing good in Harvey's, but I'm trying to find other areas besides Harvey's because you know.
Because Harvey's this immediate, this one right here.
Yeah.
What up? No, I just got here.
You just got here right now?
Yeah, just like half an hour ago. I know, I'm slacking. Oh, shoot! No, I lost a rod. Man, that sank fast. Well, there goes one rod. Good thing it's not an expensive one. I heard the bite's good though.
There's a lot of grass down there.
I heard. All right, bud. I'll see you later, man. I'm gonna actually fish. Hopefully not lose any rods again. First fish, guys, on the fluke. $16.25, guys. Let's go. Another one on the fluke, guys. Big old head. 16 3/4, guys. Let's go. Well, it was worth it to oh, he came. Oh, gosh. What a punk. What a freaking punk. Not the kind that we need. But hey, I'll take it. Underspin, 8-inch bass. Dinkers. What up, guys? So I changed, instead of ½ ounce, I went with a 1/4 ounce so I can burn it through the shallow areas. Right now, I'm not seeing a lot of fish deep. And the ones that I do see deep are very finicky and are running away from my bait, so I think shallow might be the ticket. I did lose one on the drop shot early on a rock pile. I would have loved to see how big that fish was, but unfortunately we won't be able to know because I lost it. Man, I really do like this SLX reel though. Not sponsored. Right now what we're doing is going down this bank and just covering water, burning it, burning it, burning it. I think we only have an hour left to pre-fish. There's only one area that I have confidence that will hold fish, probably like ½ mile stretch. It's no specific rock pile or hard structure, it's just shallow grass. But same as last year, those fish still holding onto it. But the tricky part is getting the deeper fish here to bite. So we'll be continuing to work this underspin, but I haven't gotten bit. I mean, I got bit once on it with that 8-inch bass, but it's been a while since I got bit. So there's probably like a 3 or 4 hour gap in between my second bite and my most recent bite, which is not good. Oh wait. Another dinker. Will that keep? Clues, 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 guys. Let's see if this would even keep. I hope I don't have to bring in 12-inch bass next week. Wow. 12 inches. Let's just take a pictures and submit it for the hell of it. Why not, right? Got this lead wire everywhere. All right. Longer, baby. 12-inch. So this is what a 12-inch swim bait would look like, a bass swim bait. It's pretty. But as I said, when you got wind and you have current, blown banks, that's when you want to pick up a swim bait, or if it's stained water, you can go with a chatterbait, especially if there's grass around. That's a chatterbait works so well in grass when you just rip it out of there. But we got 2 bites on this bank so far. We got birds diving for bait fish here. But we're gonna continue down this bank and call it a day after that. We don't have much time. This practice we started later in the day, so it's my fault. I was lazy. Wanted to spend time with the girlfriend more and bother her while she was sleeping. So, but yeah, I'm having more luck shallow than I am deep today. Live scope is definitely not effective today because those fish that are in the deeper zone are not very active. All my fish have been caught shallow, underspin. 2 on an underspin, which is very small, and then 2 on a fluke, which were decent fish. And that was shallow, so we'll have to see what we end up doing. But thank God that there's practice tomorrow too, and Wednesday if I decide to go Wednesday. But I hope. Oh gosh. That's not the kind we want. Little tink tink. Little tink tink tink. Little tink 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 to tink tink. Come on, buddy. Alright guys, I'm back. Had a long conversation with my buddy. Just lost a decent one, probably the second biggest of the day. on the drop shot. Got it on the drop. Oh, is that a fish? Oh, is that still on? Oh, he came off. That was a donkey. That was a toad. Did you guys see that? I can't believe I lost that fish. Oh! Yeah, there's bait shallow in here. You were going there. What, you own the whole spot or what?
No, but this is, I came in, this is why I was
I thought you're going in that direction though. Bro, I didn't see you catch no fish.
bullshit. I got 4 in a row. You saw it.
Good for you, bro. Good for you. You own the whole lake or what? You kidding me? You casting right at me, bro?
Play bumper boats, dude?
Shut your face. Cocky, man.
You want to play bumper boats?
If you said, hey, I wanted the spot, can I have this spot, man? Can I fish that area? Could have been a little bit of nice about it. I would have let you have the area. All right, little small dinker right here on the buzz bait. All right, on the buzz. Well, guys, so much for the drama. You know, I lost my cool. The guy was fishing a stretch, and you guys saw the video. He was going left, and then he saw a bass boil behind his boat. So he tried to turn his boat around in the direction where I was going, and I casted there. He said that I cut him off, but he tried to turn the boat around because he saw a fish busting all of a sudden. So I don't know who's in the wrong. Comment below what you guys think, who's in the wrong. Did I cut him off? What do you do when you're like working down a stretch and you see a bass bust behind you, but there's someone behind you, fishing behind you, and then you try to turn the boat around and try to catch that fish, or you go, well, he's fishing behind me, what can I do? And, other than that, you know, those are key signals over there in that stretch over there where I lost that fish. That fish was easily 5 pounds. We're gonna go home, think about what we could do different,